Oh, I'm a hot mess right now. Don't judge me for looking like a woolly mammoth. It is so cold and I just wanted to be cozy. It's snowing right now and I'm about to talk about spring cleaning. Welcome to April in the Northeast. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I think I'm going to start talking about spring cleaning because those of you who know me know that I am kind of a neat freak. I like everything to be neat, organized. I hate having a bunch of random stuff that I never use that's just cluttering up my life. I hate that. So today I thought I would start my spring cleaning little series, I guess we'll call it, with a product purge. Now, products are the number one things that I hold on to for the longest, even though I never use them and haven't used them for months. For some reason, it's so much harder for me to just bite the bullet and just throw them out or donate them or just give them away, because I love product, whether it's hair product, face product, makeup product. Like I hold on to it. I hoard it because I just can't get rid of it. But it's spring cleaning time. It's time to purge my products, to get rid of the things that I haven't used in ages, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Oh my god. Guys, I have a shelf and it literally warped my shelf because of how heavy this bin is. Like, it's in a U shape now. It's supposed to be straight, but it's in a U shape because of all of this. So let's get rid of it, shall we? The first three things that I'm going to be purging are these 3 Garnier Fructis styling products for your hair. This one is Sky High Volume Mousse. This one is the Deconstructed Beach Chic Texturizing Spray, and this is the Root Amp Root Lifting Spray Mousse. These 3 things make my hair feel crusty. I've been holding on to them for a while because I just wanted to see if I could make them work. I haven't yet, and I've just found products that work a lot better and don't make my hair feel crunchy and gross. So I am going to be getting rid of these 3 things. The first purge of spring cleaning. I feel better already. Why I hold on to empty things, I'll never understand. This is just a basic bottle of lotion that has been empty for weeks now, and I still haven't thrown it out. Why? Why do I hold on to these unnecessary things? I just don't get it. So I'm going to be throwing this bad boy out. This is the Curel fragrance-free lotion. Exciting, right? These next 2 things I'm holding on to, I'm absolutely obsessed with dry shampoo. This is the Batiste dry shampoo in blush, and then this is the Pearlescence dry shampoo in rose petal. I cannot live with dry shampoo. I constantly am rebuying shampoo because dry shampoo, because I'm constantly running out of these cans. So I'm holding on to these 2 things because they are a godsend and they are my holy grails. Next, we have this Johnson's baby shampoo, and people are probably wondering why a almost 23-year-old woman is carrying around a huge bottle of baby shampoo in her product bin, and this is because this is my go-to for washing my brushes. I used to use like the dish soap with olive oil, but it just didn't make my it didn't make my brushes feel right. It was either too oily or too drying, and I found out that Johnson's baby shampoo is really gentle on your brushes, but it cleans them really well. So a little trade secret for you. This, oh my god, where's the cap? Oh no. Anyway, this is the Bondi Sands self-tanning foam in dark. I've had this since last March, so it's been over a year since I bought this, which means I need to replace this with another one. I love this tanning foam. I use it every single time I want a fake tan, but I've just been too lazy to like use the whole bottle because you have to sit in it for 6 hours. It's a great tan though, but right now if I use this, it would probably make me green. So I'm going to purge this, but I am going to buy another one. Next up, I have 2 body mists, and this is the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction and the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel. This scent is my go-to during the winter. Like, I've already used up my shower gel, and then actually, speaking of, I have the lotion too. This smells incredible, and I'm really sad that it is a seasonal scent and I don't even know if it's going to come back next season. So that's why I'm like holding on to these and not using them, obviously, because I just love the scent so much. Like, I already used up the shower gel, so I am going to start using these. Let's hope they don't run out. But I love these, so I'm going to be keeping them. And then this is like my OG scent, this Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction. This was the first body mist, first perfume that I ever wore or that I ever bought myself. And so this is like what I use when I go to the gym or I go to school and like I just need some type of nice smell on me, but I'm not like being bougie and wearing perfume. So I absolutely love this one too. I'm almost out, so I'm going to have to repurchase, but I love, so I'm keeping. Guys, I think I'm keeping more than I'm purging, but we'll see. Next, we have this L'Oreal Paris Textit Household Wave Spray. This I'm getting rid of just because like my Garnier Fructis sprays and mousses, it made my hair crunchy. I was always like trying to get texture in my hair, and now I prefer my hair to be like really sleek and smooth. So I'm kind of over like the textured look, so that's like another reason why I'm getting rid of all of these sprays, but also just because like they didn't work for me. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. Speaking of two texture sprays that did work for me, this is Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. I use this all the time in the summer when I'm at the beach, when I'm going to the beach, or when I'm just like too hot to blow dry and straighten my hair. I use this and it makes my hair just look really beachy, natural, wavy, so I'm gonna keep this. And then this is the Triple Sec Dry Bar. This is like a spray that you spray in your hair and it amplifies, it texturizes, it like gives you volume. So it's a really cool spray. I got this in a Sephora Play box and I really like it, and I'm probably going to buy like the full size version of this. So I'm gonna be keeping these two because even though it may not seem like it right now because it's snowing outside, hopefully summer is around the corner since it is April. So I'm going to be keeping these things because I feel like it'll give me nice summer hair. Next up, I have this Mary Kay brush cleaner. I'm going to be getting rid of this because this brush cleaner literally takes like 50,000 sprays of this thing to clean one brush. Like, I probably cleaned 5 brushes with this and it's already almost gone. And I found that the Johnson's baby shampoo works great, and it doesn't take an entire bottle of expensive product to clean my brushes, so I'm going to be getting rid of this. Next, I have all of these masks. Not this one. This one's not a mask. We'll talk about that one later. All these masks that I recently just purchased that I'm going to be keeping. I'm not going to go through all of them just because there's a bunch of them in here. But they're masks for all different purposes. I got them from Ulta. They have like an amazing mask bar, and I just bought a bunch of them. They're like $3 each, which is incredible. So I'm going to be keeping all of these because I love a pamper session and I love to put a mask on. Next, I have this Kenra Platinum Thickening Glaze Body Intensity. This is basically what you put in your hair for a big full blowout. I used to use this all the time before I colored my hair. Now that I colored my hair is already naturally like super tangly. I have silky hair, and silky hair gets tangled so easily. And then you add bleach on top of it to lighten your hair. Oh God, speaking of my hair, what the hell is going on with this thing? And now that I have bleach in my hair, it just makes it even more tangled. And this is kind of like a sticky substance. And it just kind of made my hair tangly to begin with, like trying to brush it out and everything. And now like I can't even imagine putting this in my hair. It's a great product that works, so if you don't have hair that gets tangled super easily, then I would definitely recommend this. And I used to use this all the time, but now that I've dyed my hair, like I can't use it because it just my hair's already tangled enough. But it's an incredible product, so I'm gonna be giving this one away, and I would recommend it. I just can't use it on my hair anymore, which kind of sucks. Next up, I just dropped one. Next up, we have all of these mini skincare products. These are all coming from my Sephora Play boxes. I have very sensitive skin, so I can't try a bunch of new skincare. So I will be giving these away because none of them are open and none of them are used, and some of them are actually really good brands. Like I have a Peter Thomas Roth peeling gel in here, and then I have like a Glam Glow cleanser in here. My skin just can't take a bunch of new products. My skin hates when I add new things into my skincare regimen, so I'm going to be giving these to my family probably to use just because they are really good products. I just can't use them on my skin, so I'm going to be getting rid of them. Unfortunately, I'm really sad. Next are these self-tanner for your face, like, I don't know, wipes, I guess you would call it. I personally don't use self-tanner on my face. I already showed you my Bondi Sands self-tanner, and I only use that on my body. I keep my face deathly pale because my skin just can't handle self-tanner on it. And the one time that I did use self-tanner on it, I think it was like a Clinique self-tanner, it looked horrible. So I'm honestly too afraid to try self-tanner on my face again. So I'm going to be getting rid of these. Bye-bye. Oh, I found another one. Bye. Next up we have this Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover. This was like my holy grail eye makeup remover before I found my Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. This is a great liquid makeup remover, so if you're more into like these types of makeup removers, I would definitely suggest this one. It took off my makeup so easily without having to tug, pull on my skin. It took waterproof makeup off really well, liquid lipstick off really well, so I would definitely recommend this. I'm personally not going to rebuy this just because I personally like the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm better, but it's still a great product. Next I have these two random things. This is a Diva Curl Matte to Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask. I'm going to be keeping this because my hair is dry as straw. Did that sound right? I don't know. My hair feels like straw right now, and I have already put a bunch of hair masks on my hair. I've already used them, so I can't really talk about them, unfortunately. This one is a matcha conditioning mask, and so I'm going to try this because my hair needs some help. And then this one, so I'm going to be keeping this one. This one is a delectable ultra nourishing hand cream in sweet mint and cream. I don't like mint smelling things unless it's toothpaste. I don't eat mint flavored things unless it's gum. Like, mint flavored things kind of weird me out, so I'm going to be purging this just because I'm not going to be putting mint smelling things on my hand. Just the weird part of me coming out, you know. Down to the last couple things. This is the Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist. I haven't tried this yet, to be honest. I don't know what it does, obviously, like, so I have to spray this in my hair prior to blow drying. Like, it always ends up at the bottom of this freaking thing, and so I always forget that I even have this, but I'm going to keep this because I want to try it. So next up we have this Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Balm to Oil Pre Shampoo Mask. I personally can't use this because I'm allergic to some of the ingredients. Why I've been holding on to it for so long, don't ask me, but I am going to be giving this to one of my family members because Bumble and Bumble is a great brand. I just can't use it, so I need to get rid of it. And finally, I'm going to talk about these nails. These are called the Impress Press-On Manicure One-Step Gel. So basically, they're just press-on nails. They have like sticky stuff on the back and you just press them on to your nail. My older sister actually told me about these, and when she told me about press-on nails, I was like, press-on nails don't work. They come off in less than 24 hours. But she convinced me. I tried them and they're incredible. I used these at Christmas time. They stayed on for, I think, almost 2 weeks. About a week and a half to 2 weeks, which is really freaking good for press-on nails. They're only $7 and they last for a really long time. So I definitely suggest them. I love them. I'm keeping them. Guys, we're finally done. We finally got rid of everything that I haven't used for months at a time. It only took me, like, I've had some of those products for over a year. Why I haven't gotten rid of them yet? Why I haven't gotten rid of them yet? I can't tell you. I hoard these things. I keep them and I don't let them go. But it's spring cleaning time. It's time to get rid of all the things that you haven't used, that you don't want, that are empty. So it's that time and I'm happy that I did it. I already feel so much lighter, like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. So yeah, I think I'm going to continue on with this little theme of spring cleaning with some spring cleaning videos. I love purging, cleansing, getting rid of all the stuff that I don't need, and reorganizing and revamping. If you guys have any suggestions or videos that you want to see that relate to spring cleaning or organization or any of those types of things, then leave them down in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and if you enjoyed this one, then, you know, a little thumbs up would be nice. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.